Hello? Yeah. Nope, everything's good. Yep. I got it. Okay, bye. So, well, why are you dressed up like glue?
This is my part-time job. I have pectin inside of me that acts like glue, connecting the primary and secondary structure of my wall. I was born to do this. And guess what? The cell wall keeps the entire cell from falling apart. The glue is so important. And ER, you better focus on yourself. You better do what you need to do so we can get this show to be the best it could be.
Excuse you, I am the best agent/publicist that any cell could ask for. I have my rough side and my smooth side. My rough side with all my ribosomes shows that I'm the roughest agent out there, and I am nothing to mess with since I have the ribosomes that synthesize proteins. My smooth side shows that I have that smooth talking that all agents need in negotiations and deals. My smooth side synthesizes all the phospholipids and lipids that the cell needs. I'm efficient, I'm productive, I'm useful. What else do you need?
Hey, did you make those calls you said you're going to make? I want to share the energy called ATP that I produce when I go through the 3 stages starting with glycolysis, which is when sugar is converted through cellular respiration. After glycolysis, I go through the citric acid cycle, which is when sugar is converted to carbon dioxide. And I even go through oxidative phosphorylation, which if you didn't know, is a metabolic pathway that uses energy released by the oxidation of nutrients to produce ATP. I need this show to be energetic. I want the lights, the makeup, the camera, everything to be perfect.
Don't worry, my networks are unmatched.
Is everything ready? Everything has to be perfect. If anything falls apart, it's my fault. So make sure it doesn't happen. And guess what? It's not gonna happen on my watch.
My connections are the best in the business. You guys need me.
You know what else is the best in the business? Your ego. Without me, nothing is possible. You guys would all fall apart and become nothing. And you know that guy Vacuole over there? He would grow bigger than your ego, and guess what? He would explode.
Mr. Tough Guy, you're not as tough as you think. All the holes you've got in you, that plasmodesmata, would let all the external problems into our company if we didn't have the cell membrane. So,
Just because you're so rough and because you synthesize proteins doesn't mean you're perfect. And guess what? I'm amazing. Without me, nothing would be possible. I'm the most tough and rigid person around here. You think I'm gonna go listen to this nonsense? And guess what? Those holes you say, or those liabilities you business people talk about, that's really important. Because during cell division, those materials like cytoplasm that transfer, that goes to the plasmodesmata. So guess what? It's an asset.
don't forget that I'm the one that synthesizes all the proteins, lipids, and steroids for our cell. And without my transport vesicles bringing all the strength to the production, our turnout would be low.
Guess what? That's enough. You know what? It's showtime. Let's get ready to roll.
Everybody ready? I'm the mitochondria.
I'm the mitochondria.
Together we're the mitochondria. So we can be found in both plant and animal cells in the cytoplasm. We also have these folds called cristae that enhance our ability to produce ATP. The cristae is located in the inner membrane, not the outer membrane, because the outer membrane is just the membrane that allows proteins to enter and leave. We also have our own DNA, which allows us to copy ourselves and multiply whenever we're needed in the cell. We were formerly small prokaryotes that began living in other larger cells because we have our own DNA. This is hypothesized in the endosymbiont theory, which hypothesizes this to be true for other organelles in eukaryotic cells, such as the chloroplast.
Yeah, so where is the DNA found inside the mitochondria?
Our DNA is actually found in the mitochondrial matrix, which can be found in the second compartment. The mitochondrial matrix also contains enzymes and other ribosomes as well.
Well, I guess that's why we're the star of the show.
So I like to thank the cell wall and the endoplasmic reticulum because without them, our cells wouldn't function.
Everything went super smooth. I told you guys that my smooth-sized detoxification enzymes will keep all the harmful substances regulated and away.
Well, I just have one thing to say. When I was just a little cellulose, my dad, the cell wall, taught me a little song. And he was so cool. He even had cellulose microfibrils. And because he was so great, I want to share that song with you guys. Let's get this started. I am just a cell wall. We're just organelles. Better than some magic spells. Dividing all day, no way. Mitochondria, so energetic. Respiration, Christe, how deep are your folds? Do you work with Golgies? Are you a network? Oh yeah, how long will you stay? You receive phone calls. You give energy to the organelles, to the cells, all day. How thick are my walls? Do 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 do, do do do, do 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 do. I have a primary and secondary structure. Let me transfer cytoplasm. You are rough and you're smooth.
Cell wall, this isn't your job. You're just a support system. Despite my small size of 0.5 to 1 micrometers, I provide energy for the rest of you guys to function.
Don't forget that my smoothness level rises when the harmful substances increase so that I can keep them away.
Guess what? I'm the coolest guy around here. I have the middle lamello, which is like my amazing pectin, which makes me the coolest guy. No question about it.
Don't forget that I'm the smartest, and I have to be the smartest in order for my rough ER to help the ribosomes in decoding the instructions sent from the mRNA to form linear sequences known as amino acid polypeptides and thus proteins. So I'm the smartest.
Wow, you're so smart. Let me hear some more.
I would, but I'm busy synthesizing all these proteins, lipids, and steroids. So, the end.
Yay!